just busy thinking about.
I've been picked on 3 times today. All because of my trousers.
What's wrong with your trousers?
Look at the fucking size of them.
Dula Peep. I can't. Get out. Oh my God.
Y'all, just at the end of the day, bitch, don't worry about me. Worry about you and them bum-ass kids and what the fuck y'all gonna eat tonight.
Maybe I'm just not supposed to use... Guess what? It opened. Thank you. Organic, freshly squeezed orange juice for sale. Only for $1. Get your daily...
Join the TikTok Victory Discord server. Click the link in the description.
So like, who do you think is the best singer in our class? I'm friends with a monster that's on your map. Oh, her? I mean, she can be a little pitchy, but yeah, she's good, I guess.
Hey, yo, Ma, how's the food?
Jeez! That shit bussin'. No cap. On God.
Sorry, I didn't mean to push you.
What if I was suicidal?
Grubhub Perks give you deals on the food you love. The kind of deals that make your boogie.
No, you're fine. You're fine. I can sit next to Jacob. I'm good. Scooch. Scooch your booch. Scooch your booch. So what is this about? Oh.
Oh! Shout out to everybody. I had fun.
I gotta be good.
What? Ah. Wow!
Don, Candace is outside asking questions.
Who's Candace? Wait.
What? You're a fucking idiot, nigga.
I'm just one every.
Yo, point your shit. Do it that way, bro.
I'm not doing nothing.
Yo, y'all actually still believe in gravity? Just walk on a wall, man. It's easy.
Wait.
You were literally talking shit.
No, I wasn't. That was you.
God, you're literally such a pussy.
Swing first. Like, literally fight me right now. You're scared. You're scared.
You don't swing first.
You so crazy. I think I want it.
It was the bum scribbly umptious. And yes, it was busting.
So what if I'm the monster?
I'm semi, I stay automatic. Money add then multiply. I call it mathematics.
Oh my god,
Cause I don't want to be black. I want to be white.
Counselors in high school do way too much. You go to their office and say, "Hey, Miss Tampon, can you pull up my grades?" They do this. And your name is what? Arrington. Oh, okay. Are you working for the fucking CIA? Are you hacked into the mainframe database? Oh, it looks like you need to update your address. Who asked for that? Bald-headed. Oh, you talking smart? Get out! Go! Fuck you. Fake ass job. Like, what is they doing all of that for? They do too much. That's...
you so crazy.
Please don't pick me. Please don't pick me. I'll do anything. God, if you're real.
Bye, Tally. Come right up.
I don't know what to do. I don't have nothing done.
This is ridiculous. Only babies and ex-junkies are afraid of needles. Stick me, chuckles. Can I have a lollipop?
Hey, can I get the Wi-Fi password? Huh? The boat's sinking right now? Okay, cool. Can I get the Wi-Fi password? Oh my god, guys. First time drowning. Kinda nervous. I'm honestly not worried, because according to science, you need to drown in something that's wet, and water's not wet, so we'll be fine. Honestly, just put the boat in rice. Why has no one thought about that? I'm so smart. Like, what the fuck? Oh my god, thank you so much for the life jacket, bestie. Wait, does it make my ass look fat? No? Okay, we don't need it then. It's fine. We don't need it. Hey, can you hold my phone to take a photo? Yeah, thank you. Make sure you get the sinking lifeboat in the back, too. Thanks. This boat really said WAP. Everyone go like my recent on Instagram before you drown. Make sure you do it before you drown, okay? Everyone go do it now. You should ask that little kid in the water if the water's warm. Hey, can you stop drowning for a second so I can talk to you, please? What? Water's going down your throat? Is it bussin'?
Ooh, this is nice. Girl, this all this is you right here? Okay. They don't smell like roaches in here or nothing. This is so nice. And look at this, girl.
No, that's literally not what I said. That's a lie. Like, you're making this up. Like, you heard what I said, right? Hello? Sorry, it's my car's extended warranty.
Oh my god, do you get... Ah!
Yes, got the Johnson & Johnson vaccination. I'm very happy. It's a great vaccination. It went really well. The people in there were so nice. The only thing that's is worrying me is just they said it's just a quick side effect. My skin is stretched. This wasn't happening before. I'm fine, but everyone, you should get the Johnson.
I sit by myself, talking to.
Me reacting to different signs crying.
you're really crying. Oh my gosh, you never cry. No, I don't mean to laugh. Oh my gosh, you're really crying right now. Oh my god. Wait, you're crying. Don't cry. No, you're gonna make me cry. Oh, okay, you're crying. Okay, don't cry. We can go to the mall. We can go get some food. We can go shopping. I'll get you some smoothies. Some. Oh wait, girl, you crying? Okay, look, wipe the tears. Don't let them fall. Hey, you are that bitch. We don't give.
This is my fox, Walter. I got him in my creative world, 'cause in survival they went away. Oh, look, he's sleeping. He's so cute. I love him. Come on, Walter. Be careful of this lab.
Scoot over. You drank some of this while I was gone? No. Who's that? It's your Nona. She's coming to babysit you. Come in. Oh my god. I said come in. Oh, my hearing's not what it used to be. It's fine. You're wearing pajama pants, Ma. No one? Oh. I knew that. Did you go to the doctor's like I told you to? I did. I don't remember what he said, but he's very handsome. You're married, Ma. I know, but now that your husband's out of the picture, I was just thinking that you and Dr. Stooley could get the— Ma, stop! Hey, no. Hello, my little ravioli. What's new? I drank some of Mom's spicy juice. Spicy? You drank the last of my wine? That'll put hair in your chest. Ma! Oh, that's fine. We used to put whiskey in your mouth when you were teething to help you stop crying. That explains so much.
And shit, I don't know what to say. Just round that shit up next time. I don't know. Yeah, the little gay boy in the front. Yeah, I have a question about number 3. I just don't understand how we... Stop! Why is this bitch allowed in this fucking class?
Gang, 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 Period, laughing my ass off.
John's here. James.
Oh, I'm here.
James is absent? Okay. Sam is...
Bro, tell him you're here. No, it's fine. I'm absent. Bro, I'm absent today. No, it's okay. No,
it's no big deal.
Fine, I'm absent.
Oh, James, there you are. Are you coming in late?
No, you said I was sitting and you did go. Oh, you got a doctor's appointment? No problem. You can go. Mom, can you pick me up outside of the school for my doctor's appointment?
You don't have a doctor's appointment.
No, I do.
Y'all, just at the end of the day, bitch, don't worry about me. Worry about you and them bum-ass kids and what the fuck y'all gonna eat tonight.
So did you guys miss me? You guys, when I left you with that sub, I didn't think there was gonna be any problems. And now I come back to find a note written at my desk saying that you guys were loud, disrespectful, and bad. I am gonna have to email her an apology because of y'all's behavior. This is unexcusable and unacceptable. I can't. I fucking can't. Ah!
Today, tomorrow, yes, the next day, and them days after that. Period. You probably had the right idea, right, but the wrong bitch. Hello.
Get out the way. Get out the way, bitch. Get out the way.
Okay, why am I getting ready? Bro, because if I get my shit rocked, like, I want to look cute doing it.
What? She told me to meet her here. That's what the text says. She told me to meet her here. Bro, she's coming. She's coming. Just on site? On site. Should I go? All right, I'm going in. Hold my stuff. Hold my stuff, bro. Let go of my hair. Let go of my hair. Let go of my hair. I got you now. Hey, no jumpins. No jumpins. No, I'm done. I'm done. We're done. The fight's over. I'm done. She barely touched me. Hit me up for the video.
Hi, my name is Brett. I'm in 8th grade. I'm addicted to thinking that everything is sus. You're sus. Ever since one of the boys called me sus, I haven't recovered. I say it between 10 to 400 times a day. Washing hands is sus. I'm done here. Y'all are sus.
Asking my friend if he wants water every couple hours.
Vitaly, you want some water? You want some water? You want some water, Vitaly? You want some water? Okay. Vitaly. Hey, Vitaly, you want some water, Vitaly? You want some water?
Oh, no, thank you. No.
Okay, no problem. Vitaly. Hey, Vitaly, you want water? You want some water? You want some water? Okay, no problem. Hey, Vitaly, you want some water? You want some water?
Again?
Yeah, you want some water? Okay, you're welcome. No problem. You want some water?
I unplugged the Wi-Fi on my little brother who plays video games all day.
Jeez.
Okay, class, does anyone know the answer to question 2? Anyone? Okay, since no one wants to answer, I'm going to just pick on someone. Okay. Antonio?
Yes?
Where were you?
I was here the whole time. My Wi-Fi was lagging.
Okay then, what's the answer to number 2?
36?
What? Antonio, this is English.
Oh.
Hi, you. I know we'll never meet, and I know you'll probably never see my face again, but I just wanted to let you know that you matter, that your life matters, and that the pain you're feeling right now, whether it's disappointment, whether it's heartbreak, whether it's just grief and sorrow for loss, whatever that might be, whatever that pain might be, I want to let you know that it's absolutely valid. Your feelings are more than valid. And I wish you the fastest recovery in the world. Okay, but in the meanwhile, I want to ask you to do 2 things for me. Please, 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 eat and drink something today. If you haven't already, please do that right now while I'm talking. Do it right after this talk, please. And number 2, please rest. I know it might seem like resting is laziness, but it's really not. It is a necessity, and I just really want you to take care of yourself because you matter. And you deserve the world. I love you, and I hope to see you soon.